Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwagatu and this is VG Studio. If you're new here, I regularly make Python tutorials to teach my viewers the basics of Python and to inspire more people to start coding. And if you've been following along, in my previous video we talked about dictionaries in Python. And today we shall be talking about file processing. We all know that Python is a really powerful programming language, but so far we only saw visual output on our computers in the Turtle Graphics chapter. However, in today's topic, file processing, we shall explore ways of using Python to access and modify files saved on our computer. Also, today's video shall be a little shorter as the introduction of this topic isn't very long and time-taking. Firstly, to open a file, you can use the open function like this. The variable name to assign the file object is equal to open of the file name and the mode in which to open it. The most common modes in which you can open this file include the read mode. It is represented by the letter R and is used when a file is being opened and needs to only be read and not modified. Next, the write mode. It is represented by the letter W and is used when the file needs to be opened and modified, such as editing and adding new information to the file. It should be noted that any files with the same name shall be erased while using this mode. Next, the append mode. It is represented by the letter A, is only used when you want to add new information to the end of the file. Next is the special read and write mode. It is represented by the letter R+ and is used to both read and write information in the file. For example, let's say that we want to open the file named sample.txt in the read and write mode and assign it to the variable myFile. We can say this. One thing to remember is that this file should be saved in the same folder or location as the code, and if this file is not saved there, another file of this name shall be created in that folder. Next, to add information to this file, we can simply say myFile dot write of hello world. And to close this file, we can say myFile dot close. In order to open the file and read all its contents now, we can simply say myFile is equal to open of sample text, comma, R to open it in the read mode. And next, contents is equal to myFile dot read. Print contents. And to print a specific series of characters from the text, we can simply do this. Next, if we want to print the contents line by line, we can simply say for line in myFile print line. Finally, we can make a loop to append data to this file too, like this. For I in range of 5, myFile dot write of hello world. With this, we're done with today's video, and in the next video, we shall talk about the concept of objects and classes in Python. So today we learned about file processing and the open and close functions, common file opening modes that include the read, write, append, and read and write mode, and finally, file opening operations. With this, we're done with today's video, and in my next video we shall be talking about objects and classes in Python, which is useful for object-oriented programming. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your other friends. Please don't forget to leave any doubts and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.